This is the home page for the Taulbee Survey application. The top section allows you to select the year that you want to perform queries on, and the bottom section allows you to upload new data. In this case, we'll browse, select the comma-separated value list that we want, and then we will select the year that corresponds to, in this case, 2017. We'll hit save. It will now take us, it is uploading data to our database. It'll take just a second. Now the process is finished. We can go back to the home page and then select the year that we want. Now we'll select 2017 and we'll hit select. This takes us to the query page. Here we can add filters and attributes that we want displayed. By clicking Add Attribute, it gives us a drop-down list to select the attribute we want displayed. We can also remove the last attribute added. Now we can also add a filter. In this case, we're going to click Classification, and the drop-down list will dynamically populate with the available options. In addition, you can also remove a filter. Another feature is being able to store and load queries that have been executed previously. Here, we'll load a query called Display. It has no filters, but it has several attributes which it will display. In this case, it will not filter any data out, and it will show all the records. Here you can see we have over 1,000 records that it displays. We scroll down the long list of results, and at the bottom it gives us the option to download or repeat the query. Here we select Repeat, and it presents us the query with all the attributes still available. This time, let's add a filter to our query. We'll hit Add Filter, then we will select Classification from the first drop-down. The last drop-down is populated, and we'll choose U3. This will give us all of the juniors in computer science. We'll hit Apply to execute the query, and here you can see in our results that all of the records have U3 under classification. Once again, we'll hit Repeat Query, and now let's say we want to save this query. We'll save it as Display U3, hit Save. Now if we reload that query, we'll see that it has all the filters and attributes we had. Now this time, let's add a second filter to our query. We'll hit Add Filter, and then we'll select Sex. And then in the second drop-down, we'll select F. So we're going to narrow down our query to only females that are also U3s. We'll hit Apply. Now, as you can see in our results, all the records are only U3 females. If we hit Repeat Query again, it will take us back, and now we can save this query. In this case, we'll save it as Display U3 Female. We hit Save, and now we can re-execute this query when we want. Now, let's execute the same U3 female query, but on a different year's worth of data. So we go home, select 2016, and now let's load up the query. Hit Load, the query loads, and we hit Apply. As you can see, the results are different this time, with only data from the year of 2016. The last feature to show is that you can download the results of a query. Here on the results page, we'll click the Download CSV link, and now the file has downloaded. Let's open it up. We'll open in Excel because that's the default we have saved. And as you can see, the two results are identical, the downloaded versus that displayed on the web.